Hi everybody, and welcome to another edition of Andamio Interviews. In today's episode of Andamio Interviews, we'll be talking with Adriano and Martin from GameChanger. They are here to discuss their latest endeavor for Catalyst Fund 11, particularly their proposal to use Andamio to create a PBL course to show everyone how to use GameChanger and Helios to do some pretty wild stuff. I'm thrilled to have them here, and I invite you to join us. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
We start with introduction, transactions. I think I specified that in my project milestones. So every week I want to have a milestone, synchronized with YouTube video and live coding session. Simple transactions, a Helios contract, 1 week. Building the full dApp, and you have an example. Inception is open source. You can it's on GitHub, so you can see. That's why it's also called Inception, because it's basically a dApp, but you can also build dApps with it. So if you have the Inception code, you get straight away also a very good idea of how you need to build a transaction. Also show you that you can use GameChanger just directly as JavaScript. I have a payment site which uses GameChanger, which is only an index.html and an index.js, and you can just as easily also make a dApp that way. Only with React, you have all this complexity here with a full Monaco. Is what Visual Studio Code uses, Monaco editor. So you need all the tools to install that. But for simple dApps, you don't really need all the complexity. A simple transaction site. This is just running with 3 files without a server. You can just say, well, I want to do an order for 100 ADA. This is already now, and you can include data also here, like a sale order. This will get included as metadata in the script. You can select the network, and then it generates this QR code. And everybody who has the wallet on his phone, for example, you can scan this QR code, and it will import it into the transaction. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting GameChanger, Andamio, Helios, all fantastic tools which need your support.
Please support our tiny ecosystem. We're a bunch of lone developers that are teaming up. Martin, with not just this proposal, but also the totem proposal on Catalyst Fund 11. We have one for Dandelion and for everyone building on Cardano. That is a UI tool for pairing the blockchain. Then we are in a plan of open sourcing GameChanger one step at a time. So first we will be open sourcing the Unimatrix protocol that is for multisig, that will allow very amazing applications to handle multisig, even bots. And also, we are trying to open source the dApp connector, the schema of the dApp connector, that will even contribute this back to Inception itself, with better highlighting, code highlighting, and validation. To wrap, please support us, because it's very important for us to keep building. We are building a lot, and it's hard sometimes. We need a bit of support.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. If you'd like to support our project, you can support our Fund 11 proposals. You can find the links in the description below. A big thank you to Adriano and Martin from GameChanger for joining us today. If you'd like to know more about their Fund 11 proposals, all the links are in the description below. Do you have any feedback? Be sure to leave it in the comments.